Okay, this is part way in between. There have been a few people that seem to be left because I'm walking in some tracks. But this place is, I mean, just like a barren wasteland. It's crazy. We have drifts that I stepped through that are about, I'm going to guess 3 to 4 feet high. Overall, I mean, easily 10 inches. So we're trying to get to the road. It's gotten a little bit easier since someone's been tracking through here with some, a few vehicles seem to be getting out. But anybody past the halfway point of this apartment complex is pretty much just stuck. Not unless they got ground clearance of, I don't know, 2 feet maybe, foot and a half. Because this stuff is just going to stick you every time, no matter what you do. So, we'll come back with road condition that we can see once we get up here. See you in a bit.